Join me and unbox this beautiful product from Monkey. I have successfully weaned my child off breast milk and formula. It's time for him to put on the big boy pants and start eating adult food. If you know me, you know I am mama boys. I have 2 boys. My first son was breastfed till he was almost 2 years old. Yes, 2 years old. Old man with teeth was still taking breast milk. But my second son just turned 1 last month, and I told myself it's time for him to start eating adult food. I tried at 6 months, it didn't work. So now he is ready. So I got this beautiful product from Monkey, guys. This product is everything. I kept seeing pop-up ads on it, on how the suction, kids can't pull the suction when it actually sticks to a surface. So I said, why not? Let's get this product. So this is the first bowl in it. I love this bowl so much because the suction on this bowl is crazy. It's so strong. I've tried this product already, so that's why I'm putting it up now to tell you that it's actually very, very good. So this is like a flat bowl, it has different segments for the child to eat different things. You can put rice on one side, you can put meat on one side, you can put something else, fruits on the other side, and the child would not be able to pull it off. It's 100% silicone. You see how it's squeezed and then, come back. 100% silicone, so it is safe for the child to eat from. Then the next product it needs is this deeper bowl. I love this bowl so much because it goes for, puree, pap, soups, anything you want to put in it really. This bowl is deep enough, and trust me, yes, the suction also works. So that is good to go. Like, it is perfect. The bowl is perfect. So you can use it basically for anything with the child and it's still going to work. Then, the confetti kept getting in the way, and there's a lot of confetti in the box because I'm sure that was the way for them to just decorate it and send it down or to protect the product. But that's okay as well. Then we have this little storage cups, guys. I love the storage cups so much. It's big enough so you can basically put snacks in it. So far, I've been using it and I've been putting little Cheerios, cheese puffs. I've been putting it if you're going out or something. And then it has a lid, so it helps for it not to be spilled. Whatever you put in it not to be spilled. You can even put liquid in this and it is not going to spill as long as you cover it very well. It came in 2 contrasting cover colors. I love it so much. I love the detail on it. It's so nice. So it's deep enough. I think it can take like 4 ounces of anything you put in it. If you're putting liquid, that is. But I usually use mine for cheese balls, biscuits, something small. And yes, the lid has got to lap well, else it would not close. So you can see me struggling to close the lid here, but eventually I got it. But that's the thing, the lid has to lap properly. And that's also good because it will help against spillage of anything that is in it. So it's still 100% silicone, as you can see. It's bendable. Even the cup itself is bendable. So it is also very good. And what's better than 1, 2? So they gave us 2 of that. That works too. And then this beautiful cutlery set. Oh my gosh. I can't wait for my son to just use his little hands to just hold it and then use it. It is so cute. You can see it's BPA free as well. It has the grip. The grip is really good. Then the cutlery as well is an anti-choke cutlery. So the little stoppers on the cutlery will help the child not to actually, put it down their throat. You know how children can be sometimes. So it's really good. That's the stopper. It stops them from dipping it down in their throats. The person that thought of this design thought about everything. So yes, that works as well. And then the sippy cup. The sippy cup is so cute. Although I just wish the sippy cup was bigger because my son drinks a lot of liquid, a lot of water. So this sippy cup, sometimes he finishes the whole thing and then he wants more. So I just wish it was a bit bigger, but it works. It's still very cute. It's still very fine. And then they were very conservative with the cup because it comes with another cover. So the first one is a sippy cup cover, as you can see. So you transition into the straw cover and then you transition into it without covers. Then just hold it like a cup, like the child is now a little bit, I don't want to say adult, but a little bit grown. So the child just uses it like that. So this is, you can see 100% silicone because it's environment friendly and is good for your health. And then you can see that it comes with a little, yes, that's the set. It comes with a spoolie. So this spoolie is to wash the inside of the straw. Mothers in the house, please have a spoolie. This spoolie helps to clean the inside of the straws. Straws can be very dirty, especially for little ones. Always have it. They have it in short sizes, they have it in longer sizes. Always clean the straw of your kid's bottle, guys. It's always good because it can be slimy and really disgusting. So please have a spoolie. Okay, so the cup, this is the second cover for the same cup. So this just comes with a straw. And then basically it just helps for the child. You can see it's a little bit curved so that when the child raises it up, whatever is in it can still come out easily. That's why I love the design of this cup. The person that designed it thought about everything, like I said. So the little curve just helps the child to just, take it in better. Whatever is the substance in it, we just, bring it out easily. And then that's the curvy straw. And then it also comes with a straight straw. So if you don't want it to be curvy and whatnot, so there is also a straight straw. To me, it doesn't really make any difference because they both do the same work. So I don't see the difference for why there are two different shapes of straw, but I guess, well, more for your money, right? So that works as well. That's really, 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 really good. And I like the way they did the different color thing, a lighter version of the mint green and the darker version. And then this is the bib. Guys, this bib traps everything. When my son uses it, whatever he spills goes directly in it. And you can see it's bendable, so silicone definitely. So anything that goes in there actually stays in there. So there's not a lot of mess around when the child eats. So this bib is also 100%. I love it so much. It does what it's supposed to do, and it has the 4 tags at the back to adjust it according to the child's neck size. Then it comes again. Sorry guys, the confetti just keeps getting in. So it comes with a table mat. This is just so beautiful to see that the child actually has a table mat on his own. It's really, really cute. And the little star design at the end, the confetti just kept getting in the way. So the little star design at the end just makes it, childish, really. Well, it's for babies, right? So it's meant to look childish. But it was really, really, really good. Yes, so that's the whole confetti that kept getting in the way. And yes, there was an extra spoon. So what I realized was that this spoon is actually for the deeper plate. So basically the deeper plate, you're going to be having things like soup or puree or yogurt. So this spoon is actually the best for those kinds of, food. So this works as well. You can use this spoon with this plate, or you can use this spoon with this. This depends on what you decide to put in it. It's going to work anyhow you want it to work. Best for you. So there's a little card on tips on how to use your cup, your sippy cup. Basically, just some little instructions and then reassuring you that the product is environment friendly. And then more, details on how to use the product, and then thank you notes on how, for purchasing the product. And that's it, guys. This product is 100%. I can't wait to use it on my kid. Now, this is the whole set. It looks really good. They have it in blue, they have it in mint green, they have it in pink. But I wanted mint green because my kid has a lot of blue items. So sometimes let us switch things up. Thanks for watching. Bye.